By making 8x8 LED cube, I can face some problems in starting this LED cube and programming it. So in this video, I can share all the problems related to 8x8 LED cube making. So let's get started the AD video. We have a 3D view of LED cube, and the programmers used to burn the program in this microcontroller is 8089S52, and this is the programmer for burning a program, and this is the another one. Thank you for watching, and I am very much thankful for this book who makes all these things possible.